Is your partner snoring, disrupting your sleep, or affecting your relationship? Join the hundreds of thousands of satisfied users like myself who have found quiet, restful sleep with VitalSleep's anti-snoring mouthpiece. This is designed for comfort and effectiveness. It is the solution that you've been begging for. It's practical, personalized, and proven, and I don't know why we waited so long to try this out. Test it out for yourself or get it for your partner risk-free. They have a 60-night money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Visit VitalSleep.com.